So, this is Dheeraj Pujara, the founder and managing director of Royal Technosoft and alumni of Dhirubhai Ambani Institute and the trainer of world youngest programmer. So, many engineering student, MCA students and BCA students of the last semesters search internships and they go to the companies where they are charged for the internship. This time, with a great vision of upgrading our youth and placing them into different companies, we bring a very unique concept of free internships. You don't have to pay anything. So, how can you register for this internships? These are your last semester internship. So, if you are into BTech, BE, ICT, computer, EC, diploma, and in last semester, then you can apply for these internships. For these internships, you have to pay a refundable amount of 5,900 rupees. So, why this amount? This amount is the concerned person has to be serious about regularity and discipline. This amount will be refunded back to you after the internship on August 5th. So, you won't be charged anything for the internship. Out of 5,900, you have to pay only 900 rupees as a tax amount, which is a GST, for which you will get the receipt. So, first and foremost, if you are interested, because we are going to manage it only for 100 to 200 students, then let us see the process, how you apply. So, I'll be sending you a QR code in the next screen. You can scan that QR code, fill the Razorpay form, pay the amount 5,900, which is absolutely refundable. 5,000 rupees is refundable at the end of the internship. So you have to be regular, you have to be disciplined. You will be trained on different topics. You can select out of different technologies like maybe Android, Java, Spring, Hibernate, Burnstack, Meanstack. You can select. And you'll also be trained on basic programming so that you perform well on the projects. Then you'll be given the industry-based projects. After your internships, if you are very much regular and disciplined, you will be given an opportunity to face 2 interviews into different companies, which will lead you to placements. That is job. So why to wait? This is the best opportunity. You have been sharing a lot of videos to your friends about movies, about cultures, dance. This is the right video for your friend who is into the last semester of BTech, computer science, ICT, EC, BCA, maybe diploma last year, and they can just click that QR and register for the free internship program of this year. Thank you very much.
Subscribe Dheeraj Pujara YouTube channel for more updates, or you can call on 9825782290 to clear your doubts.